Well, hello everyone. It's that time of year again. It's time for our Christmas Paydirt special. I have already mixed up 500 bags of Christmas Paydirt. Last year, we sold 400 and we had to tell hundreds of people there was no more left. So this year, we mixed up 500 bags. Today's job is to take 10% of those bags, I think I've got 60 here, to mix these into our bonus bags. And I want to show you what's in every bag, guaranteed in every bag, and what we're putting in the bonus bags. Let's get to it. So every bag is guaranteed to have at least this in it. A pinch of gold, somewhere between 0.05 grams and 2 grams of gold. A pile of gemmy red garnets. And a little bunch of gemmy peridot. Every bag has that. But today, I'm making bonus bags. Now, because the majority of the people seem to like gold the best, we will be putting 1 full gram of gold in one bag. We're going to be taking all of that gold into one of our bonus bags. Each of these pickers will go in its own individual bag. So there looks to be about 20 of them there. About 20 bags will have a bonus picker. And one bag out there will have the nugget. A nice little 1 gram nugget. Is that 1 gram? I haven't weighed it. That's probably about 0.7 of a gram nugget is going to be going into one bag. Then we have, the big red gemmy garnets. Those will be going, each of those, into one of the bonus bags. Most bonus bags will be getting one of the polished garnets. A few bonus bags will be getting a big chunk of peridot. Couple polished, couple rough. Now these are shards of Ethiopian precious opal. So they have flashes in them. We'll be putting those in some of the bags. A bunch of the bags will be getting a piece of blue apatite. That crystal's name is apatite. And then on to the big stuff. One nice Arkansas quartz crystal cluster will go in one bag. We've got 4 bags worth of ocean picture stone chips. I am going to put this polished ocean picture stone cab in one of the bags. Oops. A big fluorite crystal. A chunk of dalasite. One bag gets a dalasite piece. And one great big garnet crystal. The Christmas special Paydirt bags, bonus bags being made today. By the time this video comes out, they will be available on the website. $25 a bag. We're only making 500 this year. Once those are gone, they are gone. And about 10% of the bags will be bonus bags. Those ones. If you'd like your own Christmas special Paydirt bag, check out www.danhurdprospecting.com in the shop. $25 a bag for a limited time. They sold out very quick last year. Get yours while you can. Hope you're all having a great day. And if I don't get to say it before Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a great holiday season.